Lastly, very important, which we have been pursuing for the last 3-4 months, it's regarding the election of Autonomous District Council. Last year, in the month of January, the Hill Area Committee have resolved to extend the term of ADC election due to very ridiculous reasons that May, June being the rainy season, it will not be convenient for the election commission to conduct their elections. So they have extended and also proposed to hold the election in the intervening month of October and November of 2020. But then ADSUM has been pressuring and requesting the government to conduct the election on time, and the Hill Area Committee have also resolved and proposed to the cabinet meeting, the cabinet of the state government to conduct the election on time. However, October, November has passed, and with due pressure from the ADSUM also, we have agreed that the election process, everything will be completed in the month of April. However, it is very unfortunate that the government did not notify any of the election notification till date regarding ADC election. And we have been always requested by the government to be calm and wait for the election notification. Actually, it was supposed to be notified in the month of February 24. But I don't know from where. Kadai know, husik pao election gi ADC gi election matang da election notification thok tabasi kari It is very unfortunate that our Hill democratic institution is at threat. Adoy bani na government na with the leadership of Honorable CM N. Biren Singh, government na ADSUM ka tribal people sing on the promise tauramba within the month of April the election process loiraga new government ADC new government installed togani haibasi practical oina puthok piraga election ki notification si thok piro. If election notification si 11 how do you talk ready from 12 midnight onwards, from 12 midnight of March onwards, ADSUM and all our federating units, we have resolved in this General Assembly held at Ukur to call for 24 hours total shutdown in the hill districts of Manipur. And if that is not considered, we will follow with indefinite economic blockade. So we request the government of Manipur to look into this matter very seriously before things are blown out of proportion. I repeat, if the election notification of ADC, Autonomous District Council, is not notified by 11th, the all tribal students, along with all the civil societies of the Hill District, will go for 24 hours total shutdown from the midnight of 12 March and will be followed by indefinite economic blockade. Thank you.